Hello friends, Running Kimono here. Okay, so we have 3 potential freebies over at Walgreens. This is a very quick video. If you want to get in on these deals, I recommend that you check the apps that we're talking about before heading to the store or while you're in the store. First thing is these boosters showed up on Wednesday morning. Load them. The fun begins on the 26th, which is Sunday. Some of them are online only, and some of them are in-store and online. Load what you might have, and always your mileage may vary. First deal is in the dollar spot over at Walgreens. We have these boxes of fruit roll-ups, and they are the 4 count. It really has to be important that you're grabbing the one that says 4, because there is this thing called Fetchtopia. It is like under a week of like where certain items will be double. And these 4 counts of these fruit roll-ups are in fact working. And as you see, you have to buy 3, and you can only do this the one time, and this is valid right till the 28th, but it might vanish depending how many people are doing it. So at Walgreens, 3 of these will be $3.75. Photograph your receipt to fetch for $2.87 back, making this free plus a $3-ish moneymaker. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster, but if you just wanted something quick for school lunches or for trick-or-treaters, I mean, that's fantastic. Alternatively, if you can't find these, go to the Dollar General. In their dollar spot, they're exactly $1. Grabbing 3 of these fruit roll-ups, it's going to be 3. Then you're photographing your receipt to fetch for $2.87 back, making this free plus a $3.87 money maker. Saw a lot of ladies score this on Instagram. Double, triple check that the fetch rebate is still in fact there, and go and make this happen because we rarely get snacks for free. Another freebie is the St. Ives body wash. It's $5 this week, $4 reward when you buy 2, and I found 2 of these body washes. It's kind of like mixed in with the other stuff. Not a very popular one. But with Fetchtopia, we are getting back 3,125 points per body wash. So that's like 6,000 altogether. So 2 of these is 10. Getting $6.25 back from Fetch, one $4 register reward, making these 2 body washes free and a 25-cent moneymaker. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster, but we love this. And then just to show you guys, yesterday afternoon, I went and did the deal, and I did get back my $4 register reward and 6,250 points back from Fetch with Fetchtopia. Double, triple check that the rebate is still in your Fetch account if you want to go and do this deal, because you don't want to do a deal and for it not to be there. With IBOTTA, there's a $3 rebate for these Got To Be like metallic. They're on clearance for $2.99 over at Walgreens. So if you buy one of these, use some Walgreens cash, photograph that receipt to IBOTTA. You can do it up to 2 times. That's free hair dye. So I know a lot of you like these fun colors for Halloween. Go and make it happen. The L'Oreal Fiera, $3.29. We have a $6 off of 2 manufacturers. So grabbing 2 of them, it would make them 29 cents each. The conditioner on this alone is definitely worth paying 29 cents. There's a tube of conditioner. Sometimes I get really bad knots. I love this conditioner for that. Other fun hair care clearance, and we're just going to do this quickly. I mean, if you might have some sort of like coupon or whatever, scan the barcodes. You might get lucky. $1.99 for this one. I wish I could have found something, but I had absolutely nothing for it. So I left it at the store because unless it's, you know, with a free with a coupon, it's staying there. And we also have the elusive Tresemme and this other, it's like some sort of like hair filler. Another great one is the Raw, but $3 reward when you buy 2, but no coupons to go with. Nexus, kind of cheap, and then the Fructis, also 50% off. When this stuff goes 90, it's going to fly out the store, but not at these prices, because I think people are still, you know, hanging on to their dollars and cents, and I do not blame them, because I'm doing the same thing too. I didn't get a huge haul. And then the Shea Moisture, I think next week we have a promotion of spend 20, earn a $10 register reward on that product, so we'll have to wait and see. Last store that we have is Home Depot. If you remember last week, I made a video at 50% trash bags. I'll link it at the end if you want the UPCs. Do this in store. 75% as of yesterday, which was the 22nd. So just breaking down the math there, it's on the top left-hand corner. 99 cents for a 10 count of those Glad bags. I don't think that's the greatest deal, but these ones are so much better. These compactor bags for $3.74. The original price is almost $15. So you can kind of see the value. If these might have been on clearance at your Home Depot, it might be worth you taking a trip out there to see what they might have remaining. More bags for $1.74. So, just go and take a look what they might have. Ask for price checks, and they will help you out. And these leaf bags for $4.74, that is a really great price point. Good luck, guys. And for Fetchtopia, double, triple check that you still have the rebates, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.